Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your controller on your PlayStation 5 Pro with your TV remote. So I have this DualSense Edge controller that I disconnected. So I'm going to type in my password with my TV remote, and it should just work just right away. So with my LG TV, I'm just going to go up to the top and go to settings. Actually, I have to go on over to it and scroll. So let's go to settings right here. Then go on down to where it says accessories. So I'm using just my TV remote with all this. And it looks like I have an update with Call of Duty. Go to general, go to Bluetooth accessories. And I have my DualSense Edge wireless controller in here. Now I want to go to this and then delete it because I had it connected and then I connected to my phone. And that's where my issue was. I have to reconnect it now. So with my controller turned off, hold down the share button and my PlayStation button at the same time. And it's going to put the controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Use my TV remote, going down to DualSense Edge Wireless Controller, select it and register it, go to yes, and now have it reconnected. So you don't need a cable or another controller to connect it, you just need your TV remote. And now I can use it in one of these games. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech or Studios.